Alright guys, and today, I know I do lots of drawing tutorials and stuff, but today I thought I'd just make something different. Very, very different. You will never know what this is. I know it's dumb. I know you can have a lot of inspiration games and no, this is for self-defense. And I totally used it yesterday. This is my marker, gold, and well, my friends are fun because like a regular marker, except it's not right. But from the back, it's got a fucking knife. And if you want to, like, this handle is pretty small. So when I catch it like that, it could cut my hand. And holding it like this, it's unsafe. It could slip from your hand because it's too short. So I use the thumb cap to make that larger. And now it fits my hand perfect. I can assassinate. Now, I actually used this. A homeless dude that totally came to me and he was asking for money. And I was like, I got no money for you, dude. And he picked out this little, like, razor blade that was half broken. And he said, I'm gonna put a surgery on it. And I was like, really, bro? And I scratched him right on the end. Just bang. And he was bleeding. He ran away. And I went home again. And I was scared of him calling the police. But he didn't. This saved my life. So today I thought it would be cool for you to have one. But I'm going to show you a very different version. This time you're going to use a marker, but with a nail instead of a knife. So I'm going to use this marker here. I've already emptied out the shit from it. You just take the back cartridge out, and take the tip away from the front. Just put it away. Then you're going to take your nail, and when you put it in the hole, you see it falls out like that. This is way too long. The cap won't close because of it. So we take the nail out and we take a sheet of paper, pre-cut sheet of paper. We put it around the head of the match. The head of the nail around so that this area kind of gets bigger and it does not sink through that hole if it would normally. Just roll that as much as you feel you should. Work out a little. You can get it from the first try. So I'm struggling around here a little. Then you take some tape and you stay that in place. Pretty easy, huh? You were surprised at how easily this could save your life. Now you may think that's too small to save my life, but don't worry, stabbing him in the neck. There's a vein in the neck, I'm sure that would stop it. As you see, the nail is pushed a little bit, so we're gonna use something else. I'm gonna use this pipe here. Push it even further, and that will lock it in place. Just make sure the cap closes. So you want to put the cap first and then push it. Go. It's far enough out. Mine is far enough. I don't want to make it like. If you want this not to like fly back, you just take paper and stuff the bag there. Take paper, just rip it apart and stuff the bag here as much as you can. Stuff that much. It should be a pretty tight fit. Let's show the cap on that. Yeah, it goes pretty loose. You want to make sure the cap like hardly goes in. You gotta push it. Make sure like you're gonna fill it up as much as you can. Don't go all the way to like the end. Leave a little bit in there. But make sure you fill it up so that the cap can't close when you push it with your fingers. So that you have to slam it somewhere to close it. You will need a good marker for this. See now the cap is not closed if I push it. So I'm gonna have to force it in a little with my fingers, and that's almost closed. See, there's a gap there. So I'm gonna put the front cap on and I'll smash it from the surface. I've got a bed knees so I can smash it on that. Don't smash it too much or this will happen. Yeah, I literally cracked it. Anyway, this side's not gonna be used, so you can just take it up. I'm just gonna put this here. Just so it does not crack anymore. You're gonna wanna do this like without that crack. Try to avoid hitting too much. If you've got an original marker, of course, it's not gonna crack. If you have it now, it's just a regular marker, and after once finished, that's not cracked. Like, here we go. It's just a regular marker. I can like put it in front of you when I'm drawing, and you'll not notice it. Not use it. See, it's like a nail in front. That's it for today. Be safe. Don't kill. Use only self-defense if you have to. Try to avoid a fight. Bullets suck. Bye. See you with another tutorial. Not on how to draw, I'm not sure. Okay, bye.